Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be my What'd You Buy Wednesday. It's going to be. I'm also drinking. Got a little bit of coffee going on too for 5 o'clock in the evening. But we're gonna go over some tools I picked up. Look kind of cool, and then a kit, and we'll tell a little story on the kit when we get to it. So with that, let's get to it. All right. So as far as tools, I picked up this some scribing tools. It's like $9 on Amazon. You get 4 handles with it. And we'll try and show you this. All the tips are the same, so I don't know why you get 4 of them, but for $9, tungsten carbide tip. It's pretty sharp. See how close we can get. You know, it unscrews right here. It pops out the 1/8 shank, just like the rotary Dremel stuff. The little PCB drill bits. They come with 4 handles, and then 10, 20 extra bits. As far as I can tell, looking at them, they're all the same. I think I got these to do some photo etch with, to scribe and cut. I think that's why I ordered them. They was in my save it for now, and I put them in my cart and ordered them for $10. That's the tool I bought this week. I need to order some glue. Looking at it. And the next thing, I didn't buy it. It was bought for me to build as like you might say, a commission build. Is the 67 GT350 AMT kit. And the only request, I can build it, I have creative freedom with it as far as wheels, engine, anything I want to do other than it has to be white with blue stripes. And so I'm going to do no timeline. They just want to follow the build on the YouTube, then get the car back to him when it's done. And so we'll probably save the 10 for it and put it back in the deck. We make a vignette or something with the 10, where you can just display it like that and put the car in, maybe light the inside of the box or something, so it can be kept safe for storage. We'll get to it when we get to it, but we'll do something with it for the person that wanted this. We'll not say any names yet. I'm sure it'll come out later, but it's what we wanted. What they want. This Mustang, white with blue stripes. Everything else is artistic freedom, other than the color. I have this in the regular box for it, but I will build this one. I'm already thinking the Roush engine now, the Foose truck may go in this, and I'm not sure on wheels, but I'm gonna take notes, and I'm gonna try and I'm gonna do the best I can, like detailing the seats out real nice. I just gotta figure out what color, probably white interior, or maybe blue to match the stripes. We'll see when we get to it what might look better. With that, I don't know if I got anything else that I picked up recently that I need to talk about. For what did I buy? I'm getting a little bit of a start on a 67 Charger build that I'm slowly going to work on. Let me see if I got the piece in here. What I'm going to do, I may put it in a different box. May not have been this box I was going to build. I don't know. Maybe not. Let's look. Yeah, we got it here. This is how I want to build my Charger, with the Coronet grill in it, and that makes it look like the Hideaway headlights are turned around. This is why we're going to do the Coronet grill, and it fits perfect in there, which I knew it would because they're based on the same car pretty much. Look and everything. But I may try and find a new kit because the lens here, it's all, and I don't have the clear lenses for this grill. I know I could do something else, but there's some swap meets coming up and shows. I'd rather have a new grill rather than the donor, but we'll see. I may have to take a trunk emblem out of another kit, which I think I still have an emblem in my parts from the roof from the 68 Dart. I still have that Charger emblem. I could easily put in the center of the grill here to give the Charger so it would look proper, But that's coming later. I sanded this down a little bit. We're gonna wash it off one day and maybe get it in a coat of primer. So something I bought, I did buy that a long time ago, along with many other of that kit. And I think a couple weeks ago we showed the Revell Muscle Charger that I did buy off of Sparky. I need to watch his videos again and see if there's anything else he's got. Also, if any of y'all out there have any info on a 76 Ventura and the red, white, and blue box, the 76 box, they did a Pinto, did they do a Pinto, a Vega, a Firebird, maybe a couple other Corvette, 76 Corvette, and I know they did the Corvette and the Ventura. I'm looking for that Ventura. If anyone has insight onto one of those, let a dude know. I'm keeping my eyes open. Not at award price either. $200. Nah, I'll wait. I emailed our friendly people at Round 2, asking about a re-release since they did the Nova recently, 76 Nova. It should pretty much be the same kit. So let's hope they read the emails and we'll get the 76 Ventura for America's 250th coming. If they re-release that, I'd buy 2 or 3. Because I'd build one in primer with a rolled and pleated interior, black leather. That's what I had in mind. Aluminum slotted mags. I'd have to find me a 350 Olds rocket motor to stuff down in it. Put some air shocks under the back of it. Put a hole in the floorboard and put a air cleaner to cover the hole in the floorboard under the carpet. Yep, that's it. Man, that was a cool little car. I miss that thing when I was in high school. I wish I'd have kept it. I wish I'd have kept a lot of my cars. My Thunderbird, my Ventura, a Malibu wagon, 79 Malibu wagon. That thing was tough. Two-door Malibu wagon. It might have been 4-door, but I think it was 2-door. I can't remember. Didn't have it a week. And the back glass, the shocks weren't that good, and it slammed and busted. So I had to buy a new back window hatch for it. Got that at Pax Auto Salvage in West Carrollton. He always had parts around if you need something. And I remember with that Ventura, what had happened, with the wagon, had Jerry Garcia stickers all around the interior. The back windows were spray painted black from the inside. It's just cool. It was a cool little car, maroon, straight pipes exhaust, 305. The thing you get up, it roast the tires. Man, we got the Cincinnati Challenge Model Show coming up this Saturday, 9 o'clock. I'll be there for sure. I already told Bill, so I'll see you there Saturday, Bill. He'll be there. I'm gonna try and get the bootlegger done, which I should be able to get it done by Saturday, probably tomorrow. See, I glue it all up. And I thought I was having trouble with the trunk lid, and it still is, but I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to keep it like it is. It'll close if I need it to. I really don't need it to close. I'm just going to because I'm going to display it with it up, like so. You know, a little janky. You can see, but it stays open, which is what I want to show off the wood box later. A big old engine in there. I just got to go through and we're doing little filler pieces. I got these painted and kind of rusted up a little bit so we can stick them on. I got to read the instructions though, because I was looking at it, I was like, man, I don't know, because I do got to put like a frame horn on here and figure out where they got to be cut off at, and that's what's going to help hold it all together. But I had to pull my exhaust away, and I'll be figuring exactly where I want to put that. Use solder and weathered it up a little bit. Kind of look, and this ain't done, and I'm not worried. I'm not going to start again doing that. I didn't even look at it and didn't think about it till it's too late. It'll be okay. No one's going to look underneath of it. It's going to sit on a table. This ain't an IPMS word thing here where they pick models up and look under them. Just kidding. I don't think they do that really around here. What else we got going on? I'm almost caught up watching the Modeling Insanity, or listening to the Modeling Insanity podcast. And then I got the Model Car Mania podcast, like 2 episodes maybe to watch. I don't know what I'm going to listen to next. I'm going to look around and go to the consortium website, as they say, and see if there's another podcast I can listen to while I'm working. Or if you guys know of any other podcasts that are interesting, it helps, pass the time that may be a couple years in the making. How I work and I listen to, I got an earbud I put in my ear, and I listen to something 6 hours a day, 5 hours a day, probably, or if not more. Some days less, some days more. So it's getting caught up. I got like probably 3 episodes left of the Modeling Insanity, maybe 4. I just got done listening to the horror movie top 10. They're Modeling Insanity After Dark. The second one, they did sci-fi one week and then horror movies the next. Then we're back on the regular shows now, so I don't want to get bored at work. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.